Hello and welcome back to Ben Academy. Do you want to turn rows of boring data into a beautiful visual chart, but you think it takes too long? I will do it for you very fast and quick now. And I'll show you how to build your very first Excel chart from scratch. Ready? Let's go. Instead of using mouse, let me show you how to select your data with keyboard very fast. Actually, my data is not too much here, but if the row numbers are really high, it's very practical. So first, click the first item that is food here, press Shift key, go to the next column, press Ctrl key, and go to the end of your table. Actually, here I don't need total row to be included in the diagram, so I will release Ctrl key. While I'm holding Shift key, I will go up for one row. So all the data here is selected. Now here is the ultimate speed shortcut. Hold down Alt key and press F1. Just like that, Excel instantly builds a fully functional column chart for you, and you can see the titles are also included for each column. If for any reason it doesn't work, you can go to the Insert tab and click on the recommended chart here. But what if a bar chart isn't what you wanted? What if you want a classic pie chart to see where most of your money goes? Easy. Click on the chart. In the chart tool, if you go to the Design tab, you can easily change chart type by clicking on this icon. And now if you click pie chart, you can select it and press OK. Now it's converted to the pie chart. You can add titles and labels easily if you go to Add Data Label. And you can also add legend to see which color is related to which expense category. You can also use some predefined designs here in the Excel. For example, this one looks fine, or another one, or any other thing you like. You can manually change the format as you wish. If you want to master more quick Excel wins, smash that subscribe button for Ben Academy, and I will see you in the next one.